So guys, here we are discussing about how to install Git on Windows. So the installation of Git on Windows is very simple. You just follow the simple steps as I showed here. Just open your favorite browser and enter the Git bash. Just enter the Git bash and click on enter. Then as soon as you will get the URL git-scm.com git download git scm. Just click on this URL, and as soon as you will get this git bash web page, just click on the Windows here. Then you will get the git bash download as soon as it will automatically. Once you click on the Windows option, it will automatically download the Git option. If not, you can click on the click here to download manually. So guys, it's almost 45 MB. It will get to download to 1 to 2 minutes, and I will mention that Git SCM URL in the description of this video. Then you will easily once you click on this URL, you will get automatically redirected to this page. So once this will come into .exe file as the Windows default application format. Just you can click on this application. You will next this as soon as this application will install. So guys, the it will download is completion. Then you can click on this yes. After that, you will get one pop-up mode. Click on next, and here the default is fast forward or merge. Okay, click on this one and click on next. Click on next. Then it will installing the Git bash. Also you can see here Git 2.27.0. this is the version of the Git, and as soon as it will installing the application. Yes guys, as you see, it is in progress. It is installing the Git bash on Windows. Once this is completed, we can able to play around the Git on Windows, and this is like a Linux terminal. You can use Git bash terminal as the Linux terminal, and you can perform all the Linux commands like ls commands, pwd commands, mkdir commands, cp commands, mv commands. Every commands you can run on Git bash also, and we can use Windows as a Linux terminal. I will show you once this is completed. It's almost completed. Just 5 to 6 seconds to get this output. The installation is almost completed. It's installing the binary packages. So you can ignore this page. It's just a release notes and everything, how to use the Git and everything. So now the Git install is completed. So now you can open any folders. Like we can open here the default Git page. You can open your desktop also. So if you click on right click on the mouse, you will, as soon as you will display that Git bash, click on Git bash here. Then you will open the Linux terminal. This is the Git bash terminal. So this is like Linux terminal. You can use Linux terminal on your Windows. So if you this is the git bash, just check the git version. The command is git space version. So the git version is 2.27.0. so this is the git version. And if you want, you can use the Linux commands also, like ls command. Here there is no files or folders, then we can create one folder. I will create one folder here, mkdir uh, git git -1. So here the git folder is created as, and if we type ls command, it is showing git -1. If you open ll, this is called git -1. If you open pwd also, /d/git, so this is the path, right? So this way we can easily install git bash on Windows. Thanks guys, thanks a lot.